all the candy. I'm a Yankee Doodle dandy, I'm glad I am. So's Uncle Sam. I'm a real live Yankee Doodle, made my name and fame in Boodle, just like Mr. Doodle did by riding on a pony. I'm a Yankee Doodle dandy, a Yankee Doodle doer glad, a real live nephew of my Uncle Sam's, born on the 4th of July. I've got a Yankee Doodle sweetheart, she's my Yankee Doodle joy. Yankee Doodle came to London just to ride the pony. I am a Yankee Doodle boy. Heart